Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 27th of June. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Ace of Swords again. Now the person B has the Lovers card, the Five of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck I have the Emperor card. So either you could be dealing with an Aries, or it could be that one person in this relationship will get into that Emperor energy where they will go ahead and lead that situation. Okay. Now what I'm seeing here for you Sagittarius is you have the Ace of Pentacles. With the Ace of Pentacles, it's when you want to start fresh, you want to build a very stable relationship with this person, but you want to start small, okay? You don't want to take very big steps right away. You want to start small, and there might be something that you need to talk to your person about. With this Queen of Swords energy, if there is something that was hidden, something that you didn't tell them, you would want to have a very clear cutthroat conversation with them, so that both of you are on the same page. There's nothing that is hidden between the two of you. That's another thing that I see here is you want to have that conversation, and then you want to start again with this Ace of Swords, where you want to ensure that going forward there will be no more secrets between the two of you. Now what I see for your person, okay, person B has the Lovers card. Now this is a Gemini card, so either it could be that they are in this energy, or they are dealing with somebody who is a Gemini. Okay, now with this energy, this person also feels that you are their soulmate, okay, and they have this past life connection with you, so they have intense feelings for you. What I also see is that they have the Five of Cups. Now they do love you, but because of maybe the current situation, they feel that everything is lost, because in the traditional tarot, the Five of Cups, that card shows that the three cups have spilled over, and this person is not turning back and seeing that there's still those two cups, which means that you still have the possibility of reviving this relationship. If currently the both of you are not talking, you also can go back and just amend things. It's just that you need to take that step forward. Now I see that this person has currently gone into the Four of Swords energy, wherein you've just gone ahead and taken a step back, and you don't want to put in anything, be it your energy, your time, money, anything. Okay, so you just stepped back and you're just relaxing is what I see this person is doing right now. Now let's take one card here to see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first one that I see is the Four of Cups, the Temperance card, and the Nine of Cups. Now with the Four of Cups energy, this person is quite bored, or they are currently in that phase where they don't want to put in that effort. So if you look at this card, okay, even if you offer your love to them, currently they are in that phase that they don't want to accept anything. With their crossed hands, they don't want to accept anything right now, because they want to be in the zone that they are in. Now what I also see is that balance is required in this relationship, which means both of you, not just them, both of you need to put in equal amount of effort for this relationship to work. Otherwise, what I see is this relationship both have feelings, but both are in this stage where why should I take the first step is what I'm seeing here. So with the Nine of Cups, that's when somebody is very lazy, somebody doesn't want to put in that effort, because you assume that the other person will go ahead and do, and that's where ego comes into picture. So just be a little careful on that aspect. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from archangels for you, and a crystal that can also help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Morganite. The crystal message is, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe that the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in the moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. See all the love that is in everything. Now the message here from Archangel Uriel, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box for you. You can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.